is participating in this impeachment trial to defend the integrity of the Constitution and to... When I saw this headline, I said, yep, new topic. This is from CNBC, which I don't want to use, but will use in this instance. Trump impeachment defense team will include Clinton prosecutor Kenn Starr and Jeffrey Epstein lawyer Alan Dershowitz. Now, notice how that headline states. Okay, Trump impeachment defense team will include Clinton prosecutor Kenn Starr, okay, and Jeffrey Epstein lawyer Alan Dershowitz. Not Harvard emeritus professor Alan Dershowitz. No. So they had to add Jeffrey Epstein there to say that, hey, this is Jeffrey Epstein. Bad. Jeffrey Epstein's name's been stained because of his shenanigans, but they have to do that. That's an interesting way. See who wrote this. One of these knuckleheads did it. Very good. Some of the key points. Trump's impeachment defense team will include, okay, said that. Also in the team, ex-Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi, former Whitewater prosecutor Robert Ray, and Dershowitz's past clients include, okay, see, what does that have to do with, why is that a key point? What does that have to do with the impeachment? It doesn't. Of course it doesn't. President Donald Trump's impeachment team, okay, I've already said that because they've tried to beat you in the head 18 times with it. Also, the team is ex-Florida, okay? See, again, why do they write these stories like this? They already tell you the first two paragraphs all the way up. Now, this is how we probably should have started. The Trump team choices came to light just 4 days before his trial is set to begin in earnest in the Senate. The Republican president is accused of impeachment articles passed by the House of Representatives, abusing power, and obstructing Congress, which is not obstructing Congress is not a that's not breaking the law. Because anyway, I've already discussed in one of my videos. Let's see, the White House counsel Pat Cipollone and Trump's personal lawyer Jay Sekulow are heading to the defense team. The legal lineup will not include Rudy Giuliani, the former New York City mayor, and other personal attorney for Trump. Giuliani's push last year to get Ukraine to investigate. Oh, you see, look at this. This is not right here. Giuliani's push last year to get Ukraine to investigate Biden and his son Hunter Biden were the subject of extensive testimony and evidence in the House impeachment hearing proceedings. It was? Okay. See, the president asked me to do this, and the legal team asked me to do this, Dershowitz said in an interview with CNBC after his role in the defense team became known. Dershowitz said he will be making oral arguments in the Senate to address the constitutional arguments against impeachment and removal. He also said that he opposed Clinton's impeachment and voted for Hillary Clinton against Trump in 2016. He is, quoting here, is participating in this impeachment trial to defend the integrity of the Constitution and to prevent the creation of a dangerous constitutional precedent. Gotta hand it to him. Don't like his politics, but he is a decent guy, apparently. He will run to the defense of those in need. And there we go, Pam Bondi. I think I knew her when she was Attorney General of Florida. She seemed okay, I guess. I would lived in Florida for like 4 years, so Florida didn't burn down. Dershowitz is a renowned appellate lawyer whose high-profile cases have included that of Klaus Van Bülow, the socialite whose conviction for trying to kill his wife Sonny was overturned through Dershowitz's efforts, as detailed in the movie Reversal of Fortune. More recently, Dershowitz has been known for his defense of Trump on television and for his past work for Epstein, a wealthy investor who was charged by a federal prosecutor in New York City last summer with child sex trafficking. Epstein killed himself. Bruh. In a Manhattan jail last August while awaiting trial. Starr also represented Epstein when he was under investigation in the mid-2000s in Florida by federal and state authorities for sexual misconduct with young women and girls. Epstein, a former friend. Why is this an Epstein? This is not. It has nothing to do with Epstein. This story has nothing to do with Epstein. This person, if you will, writing this, threw this Epstein stuff in to taint Alan Dershowitz. Plain and simple. Epstein from Clinton, former friend of both Trump and Clinton. Not really Trump, because if you understand, when Trump found out apparently of Epstein's shenanigans, he kicked him out of his resort and didn't talk to him. So I don't know how much of a friend he was, but he's more of a friend to Bill Clinton because he rode on his airplane. Trump didn't need to ride on Epstein's airplane. Bill Clinton did. He served 13 months in jail, although he was allowed out from it. See, this is not a story about Epstein, but they throw Epstein in there. Unbelievable. Starr, a former federal appeals court judge, oversaw the wide-ranging Whitewater investigation of Bill Clinton from 1994 through 1998. Starr's findings that the Clinton had lied under oath by denying a sexual relationship with White House intern Monica Lewinsky led to Clinton's impeachment by the Republican-led House in the late 1998. Notice how they don't say the Democrat-led House of Representatives. If you go back up here, they just say Republican president was accused of impeachment articles passed by the House of Representatives, not the democratically liberal socialistic-led House of Representatives. No, not that. But if you go down here, you'll see Starr's findings that Clinton lied under oath in an intern impeachment by the Republican-led House in late 1998. How freaking biased is this a-hole is? Unbelievable. Clinton was, of course, acquitted after the trial in the Senate. On Friday morning, shortly after news about Starr joining Trump's legal team broke, Lewinsky wrote in a Twitter post, "This is definitely an are you effing kidding me kind of day. Okay, Lewinsky, your time in the spotlight is over. Go F yourself." More recently, Starr lost his job as president of Baylor University and soon quit as chancellor as law professor there after the claims that Texas school had grossly botched its handling of cases where female students said they were raped and otherwise sexually abused. Starr's wife declined to comment when contacted, but why are you contacting Starr's wife? What does Starr's wife have to do with this? You freaking vultures in the media are sickening. Ray, in a text message to CNBC, said, "You can confirm that I expect an announcement this afternoon." Bondi, for the past several months, has worked in the Trump administration on messaging about impeachment. Again, I think these guys, I don't know which one of these biased a-holes wrote this, but you knuckleheads should be ashamed of yourself. You call this journalism? This is, yeah, it's politics. Yes, I get it. Yes, it's CNBC. Yes, I get it. But good freaking God, can you be, I don't know, somewhere down the middle? Is that too hard to ask for you liberal, progressive douchebags? I guess not.